Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Luz Biminda Bucar from Quezon City. I'm high school graduate and I'm married. I have 5 children, ages 19, 18, 16, and 12 and 9 years old.
In case you're working in Hong Kong, who will take care of your kids?
My husband and my mother.
Do you know how to take care of kids?
Yes, I know to take care of kids.
Can you tell us how?
By teaching them a good manners and giving them nutritious food and assisting them to take them a bath.
Please give a sample of nursery song.
Lone, lone bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. Lone, lone bridge is falling down, my first lady.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of my family, to give them a better future and to my children's studies.
Any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please do hire me because I'm hardworking and I'm trustworthy. God bless and thank you.